Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're doing some steaks. We got some little New York strip steaks that I picked up at the store today. We're gonna cook them on a new piece of equipment, guys. That's right, I got a new grill, and I know you're gonna want one just like this. I know you are. I believe Tom Horseman right now is, as soon as he sees this, is gonna get online and order it immediately if he doesn't already have it. So it's that cool of a grill. It's high-end, high quality. Let me introduce you to the new Bass Pro Shop 14-inch bobber grill. You know you gotta have one. Is that not the coolest thing in the world? Yeah, I played that up a little too much. Check this thing out, guys. Yes, I seen this. I had to have it. This was I believe $20 at the Bass Pro Shop, and I just had to have it. Nice little, I think that's about 14-inch grate. I'm not sure this is going to last much more longer than the first cook, but we're going to cook steaks on here. It comes with a little charcoal pan here. I don't think I'm going to use that tonight. I think I can get the charcoal on this burner right here. Hopefully I can keep the charcoal ashes out from going through that hole there. We'll see how that works. Just got a nice little charcoal tray here. I think it's going to work just fine for us. But yeah, there it is. The grill, and I always wonder. Tell you what, I can't wait to cook the steak on this. If nothing else, just to say I've cooked the steak on it. So come along, let's have a little fun tonight. That's all we're doing. It's gonna be a fast little cook. Let's get some fire on here and get this these steaks seasoned and get them on here and get them cooked. Talking about some very precise placement of the lighter cube there. First fire in the bobber grill. I'm excited. Using the smaller chimney. I don't think we're gonna need the big chimney for this cook. Alright guys, keeping everything pretty simple here. These are New York strip cut steaks. This is probably a good 12-13 ounce steak. Let's see, 0.83, something like that. Yeah, that's about 12-13 ounces, and this is closer to about an 8 or 9 ounce steak for mama. And like I said, we're just keeping everything simple. Gonna use one of my favorite rubs. This is the Grillaholics SPG Plus Butter. I absolutely love this stuff, guys. There's a link below if you are interested in it that will get you 20% off. And keep things pretty simple here. Yes, I know it's a paper plate. I know I get criticized every time I use a paper plate for something around here, and well, frankly, I don't care. You do you. I'm cooking on a toy grill. Come on, give me a break. There we go. Awesome, guys. I'll pat down and get my ends and sides here. Let that grill come up, get that charcoal. We're gonna dump that charcoal and get these steaks on. It's gonna be a pretty fast cook, guys. Guys, let's get this dumped. I got my top charcoal starting to white over, so yeah, I think we're good to go. Not too concerned about a 2-zone fire. We're just grilling tonight. I do kind of want to be careful not to get charcoal over these vent holes down here. I do kind of want to be a little cautious about that. Don't want to burn my deck. It's in bad enough shape as it is. Let's get our grate on here. Ooh, it's going to be a hot fire. Very nice, very nice. My biggest question is, how long before that cheap Bass Pro Shop decal burns off of there? Alright guys. We're talking about state of the art here. The Bass Pro bobber grill. Cooking its first steak. Alright guys, we're gonna flip these in about 4 minutes. Alright guys, let's see where we are here. Yeah, I could have probably left them on there for another minute. That's alright. We'll go another 4 minutes and we'll check some temps and see if we need to go a little bit longer. I'm not liking this experience so far, guys, on the bobber grill. Alright guys, let's I'm gonna give these a turn. I just left the lid off of it. Oh, that's much better. Apparently this thing is not going to maintain that much heat with the lid on. So yeah, lesson learned, guys. Lid off when cooking. I should have known that though. I'm gonna give this just a couple minutes here just to replenish what we missed out on, and I'll check some temps and should be ready to eat. Alright guys, we should be about there. Let me get these guys one last flip. Everything looks good. Let's check some temps here. 130, yeah, we're there. That's about a good medium cook there. 140. Yeah, we're there. Pulling them off, guys. Let's go inside. Taste our food from our first cook on the Bass Pro Shop bobber grill. And guys, would you look at that? Oh, I'll tell you what, it smells really good. I'm just gonna come in and just cut this thing right in half so we can get a look at it. I need to sharpen my knives, I know that. I'll come in here. That's a good medium. I'm okay with medium myself. Plenty of juices there, not bad for a $20 cheap grill. Let's get a little piece cut off of it. We'll get a taste. Tell you what, I got a little hot out there. Warmed up a little bit today. It's awful windy though. Well, my hair's a mess, but it's windy out there. I hope the audio will come through really good out there, considering all the wind we had. But yeah, let's see what we did here. Very tasty steak. It cooked really good once I left the lid off. That was on me. But at, you know, a $20 cheap $20 grill from Bass Pro Shop, I'll take it all day long. You might even see me cook on it again. Probably not, but maybe you might see me cook on it again. That was fun. Had a little fun. Thanks for playing along, guys. That SPG plus butter from Gillaholics is always the score with me. Link below if you want 20% off your purchase of that if you're interested. Links to a lot of the stuff I use, a lot of the products I use, grills, whatnot, down below in the video description goes. Check that out. So guys, hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a lot. And guys, thanks as always. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for playing along, guys. God bless you. Bye-bye.